Hey, what's going on, guys? A very special unboxing here today. This is not anything Gundam related, obviously, so hope you guys don't mind, but this is something that came in the mail today, and I want to share the experience of opening this up with you guys just because I'm really excited. Man, I don't know, like, this thing, it's heavy, it feels good, I think it's gonna be really awesome. If you guys don't know what this is, obviously it's going to be my silver play button for passing 100,000 subscribers. And I gotta say that, like, after passing 100,000 subscribers, it was like, oh, okay, yeah, I mean, it was coming, it was a long time coming, but actually getting this and actually being able to hold this in my hands, it's a lot more exciting actually having something I can actually hold and touch, and that has like weight to it that actually kind of means something more than just a number on the computer to me. I know that that's probably not the best way to put it, because even that number on the computer is a representation of you guys, all of you guys who are watching and subscribed. So thank you to all of you. You're all obviously more than a number for me or the community that I make content to share with. So the community that I enjoy being a part of. But this is an awesome really kind of feels like it's something that I can hold, that I achieve. So it's awesome. I'm a little sick at the moment, sorry guys, but yeah, let's open this up. I can't wait to see how this looks. Alright, I've got to turn my lights way down for this because it's super bright and shiny. It's going to be kind of hard for you guys to see that, but there you go. Try to get the text in focus there. Very cool. Man, this is really awesome. It looks great. Here I am. It's super shiny there, as you can see, the mirror finish for that, and just it feels really good. It's really awesome. You can hang it there on the back, so I'm definitely going to hang this up on the wall. That's pretty awesome. So again, to all of you guys who have subscribed and all of you who have watched my channel for years or months or weeks, whatever it is, thank you guys all for your support. I can't imagine I'm gonna get another one of these at any point, but hey, if that day ever comes, I'm looking forward to it. In the meantime, this is pretty awesome. So thank you all, and here's to the future. Lots of stuff to come. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So hope you guys are too. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.